This literature kit on The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling is easy for teachers to use in a time crunch. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Predict the actions of Kaa the snake as he faces off against Bagheera the panther. Answer questions about the white seal. Describe a time you were in awe of nature in a journal response. Comment on how the animals feel about each other. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a quiz to test which animal you are. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare what's known about you and your inner thoughts with a graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.